Welcome back to Simplify Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Take a moment, subscribe for me, guys. If you're having problems replacing your blower motor resistor in your Kia Soul, stay tuned. Here we go with our 2015 Kia Soul. Replacing the blower motor resistor, which is on the passenger side. This is what the resistor looks like right here. That's what we're replacing. Alright, go ahead and get you a flathead screwdriver. There's a little spot right there where you can slide it in and pop it out. It comes out pretty easy. After that, get you a Phillips head screwdriver. You got 3 screws. Number 1 is right there. We've already taken it out. Number 2 is right there. And number 3 is right there. Once you take them 3 out, you can go ahead and lower your glove compartment box. You also have 3 screws in here. 1 right there. 2 right there. They're also Phillips head. And there's your 3rd one right there. Once you take that off, you can take off right here where the air filter goes. You just simply pull on it and it'll come out real easy. Once you do that, you can go ahead and pull the whole glove compartment box down. There's 1 sensor on the back that you have to remove. Right there. All it is you push in a little clip and pull out. It's very easy. Now we have room to get to the blower motor resistor, which is right here where I'm showing you. We're going to go ahead and get you a better look from underneath. The blower motor resistor is held in by 2 screws, 2 flathead screws. We've already taken it out. After you do that, you can pull it straight out. And that's it, guys. Just put it in reverse order. Simplify Mechanic. Subscribe. Take care.